can you describe your design workflow from concept to final product? The process varies with the products I am designing, but usually this is what my workflow looks like. First is research and analysis. I dig into the project details, like understanding what the client wants, who the target audience is, and what the competition looks like. This involves doing some basic research and also analyzing the market. The second is ideation and conceptualization. The next is that I let my creative juice to flow and come up with ideas. And then I go ahead to sketch out rough concepts and also figure out the overall design direction I want to take. 3 is wireframing and prototyping. So once I have a clear direction, I create wireframes, which are like the blueprints for the designs. They help me to define the structure and functionality of the interface. After that, I build interactive prototypes in order to simulate how users will interact with the design. Visual design. Now, it is time to make things visually appealing. So, I go ahead to apply visual elements like colors, typography, and branding in order to create an interface that looks great. Next is usability testing. Now, I go ahead to conduct user testing sessions in order to get feedback from real users. This will in turn help me to identify any issue with usability and also help me to make improvements based on their experiences. Iteration and refinement. Armed with user feedback, I go back to the drawing board and make necessary improvements to the design. It's all about iterating and refining the design based on what I have learned. Hand off. Once the design is in a good place, I prepare the design assets and also create documentation to hand off to the developers. This will in turn help them to understand the design and work on implementing it smoothly. Collaboration with developers. At this stage, I work closely with the developers in order to make sure that they understand the design and also that it is implemented accurately according to the specification. Quality assurance. Before the final product is launched, I conduct thorough testing in order to ensure that everything works as intended. This involves checking for any remaining issues and also making sure that the design and functionality meets the requirements. And that's beautiful, guys.